Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download Leonardo AI images in 2026. So if you've created an image in Leonardo AI and want to save it to your device, the process is quick and easy. First, sign in to your Leonardo AI account and open your dashboard. From there, navigate to the image you want to download. Next, open the image at full size so you can review it carefully. Make sure you're selecting the final version you want to save, especially if you've generated multiple variations. You should also check that your internet connection is stable, as interrupted connections can occasionally affect downloads. Finally, keep backup copies of important images so you can access them later, even if changes are made to your account or projects. And that's it. That's how to download Leonardo AI images in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.